Welcome. In this video I will show you how to adjust sound volume on your HP ProBook 450G2 laptop. So in order to do that, you'll have to click on the speaker icon located in the right bottom corner of your display, then move on this slider to the left or to the right in order to decrease or increase your sound volume respectively. The current level of your volume is displayed right here, and this is the way to do it on the display, but you can also use shortcuts to do that. In order to use shortcuts, you'll have to press and hold the F1 button and combine it with either F6 button for decreasing your volume or F7 button for increasing it. You can as well turn off the sound on your PC by clicking this one button right here, and you can enable it back again by clicking it once again. And basically that's how you adjust sound volume on your PC. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.